Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with SSC Maths 2025 March questions, and in the previous topic when I was dealing with 4 marks questions, I have forgotten to do this 11th one children. After 10th I have gone to 12th problem. I am very sorry for it, so that is why I wanted to do this 11th one first, then I will go to the 6 marks problem. So what is this 4 marks question? The 4 marks question is asking to write the formula for sum of first n terms of AP, arithmetic progression, and explain each term. So sum of first n terms of AC is S of n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula in which Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. N will give you a number of terms. N will give you the number of terms. And A is first term of AP, first term of arithmetic progression, and D is common difference. So these are the various these are the explanations of each and every term that is given here. Sum to n terms, Sn is sum of n terms of AP. N is number of terms. Here you have n, here also you have n. Then you have A. A is first term of AP and D is common difference. Children, note it down. This is 11th problem. 12th one I have already explained it to you. 10th class maths. SSC March 2025 questions, 6 marks questions. And 13th one, draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is x square plus 2x minus 3 and find the zeros of the polynomial from the graph. P of x is given as x square plus 2x minus 3. So you need to take different values for x and prepare a table ordered pairs. So first what values I have taken is x minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the values that I have taken. So the polynomial I have written here, x square 2x minus 3. Now minus 3 means x square minus 3 square 9. 2 into minus 3 is 6 minus 3. And here minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 minus 3. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 3. And 0 means both are zeros and minus 3. This is 1. 1 square 1, 2 and minus 3. 2 ones are 2 and 3. 2 square is 4. 2x is 4 minus 3. 3 square is 9. 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3. After writing this, we need to add all this. So that is why I have written a double line here so that you won't be confused. In case while adding, sometimes you may add this. So to get rid of that confusion, I have drawn a double line that will save you children from the this kind of confusion that we may take the upper value. Now if you add minus 9 plus 9 0, this is minus 7 plus 4 minus 3, minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, this is minus 3, this is 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 3 5, 15 minus 3 12. So I have prepared ordered pairs here. This is minus 3 and 0 ordered pair, minus 2 minus 3, minus 1 minus 4, 0 minus 3, 1 0, 2, 5, 3, 12. So like this I have prepared the added page. Now these values I have put it in a graph. Taken x and y axis. On x axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Now minus 3 0 is here, and 1 comma minus 2 minus 3. This is minus 2 minus 3 is here, and minus 1 minus 4. This is minus 1. This is minus 4. Then 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. 1 0. This is 1 0. 2 5. 2 and 5. 3 comma 12. 3 comma 12. This is the parabola. But before joining these points, children, go for checking. This is always, it saves you. Means sometimes you may miss the point while locating the points which you have got ordered pairs. In some, here we have got, but in some graphs you may not get. So what you need to do is you have to search for the solutions and put the solution point here, circle it, and then join. Then you don't get any mistake. So x square plus 2x minus 3 is 0 means x square minus 3x minus 3x square, splitting the middle term, plus 3 minus x. Plus 3x minus x is 2x. Minus 3 is 0. X into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3 is 0. X minus 1 into x plus 3 is 0. If x minus 1 is 0, x is equal to 1. See, x is equal to 1 I have got, so I have circled. If x plus 3 is 0, x is minus 3, here also I have got, I have circled. Then I have joined the parabola. This way, if you follow, children, the polynomial graph will come very perfectly. Please note it down. Now the next one is 14th sum of 6 marks. Find the mode of the following data. So first let us write the class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. These are all class intervals. Next frequencies 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. So since it is mode, which is the highest frequency, that is considered as model class. So 20 is the highest frequency. So this is model class. If this is model class, you will be writing this as F1, 20 is F1, and this is F0, and this is F2. This is F1, F0, F2. You have to find out, you have to locate this one. So what is the mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula that we have, children. L is lower limit. L is lower boundary actually. So limit or boundary in this case is same. So L is lower boundary. F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0 is the frequency of the model class just above the model class or preceding the model class. And F2 is the model class which is succeeding the model class or just after the model class. So in this case, what is L value you have got? For model class, L is 40. And what is F0? F0 is 12. F1 is 20. And F2. What is F2? 11. And H is the size of the class. Size of the class is 10. So you have got these values. So mode is equal to 40 plus F1 20 minus F0 12 by 2 times of F1 20 minus F0, 12, minus F2, F2 is 11, multiplied by 10. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 by 22s are 40 minus this is 323 into 10, that is equal to 40 plus 8 by, from 40 if you subtract 23 you are getting 17. 17 into 10, that is 40 plus 80 by 17. Okay, so let us do the division. 80, 17 4s are 68. Okay, so let us go for 4s are 17 4s are 68. So you are getting 2 here, 1 here. Keep a point and keep 0. 17 12s are 12s are means how much you are getting, children? 17 7s are 119. So take 7. 119. You are getting 1. So keep a 0. You need another one. So let us take the values up to 2 digits. So 2 digits means I should keep a 0 and 0. And I'll be getting 17 5s are 85. 5s are 85. So I'll stop it here. So 70 40 plus 4.705 means 71 you can take. That is 44.71. Therefore, mode is equal to 44.71 is the answer for this problem, children. So once again, let me explain you this. They have given class intervals and frequency and they are asking us to find out mode. So class intervals are right. I have written like this in a column wise and frequencies. Now for mode, you need to find out first model class. Model class means the highest frequency. So the highest frequency, let me write this here, children, otherwise you may confuse it as 120. F1 it is. Highest frequency is 20. So this is model class. And after finding out model class, you should to find out F0, F1, F2. So the frequency of the model class is F1. The frequency preceding the model class is F0. The frequency succeeding the model class is F2. See, 0, 1, 2. Remember that. 0, 1, 2. In this way, you are getting the frequencies. Now, mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So here you may have a confusion at the time of examination. So just remember this is 1010, 102, 102, 102, F1, F0, F2. 2 times of F1. This you remember. Into H. H is the size. So L is lower boundary, that is lower boundary of the model class, that is 40. F0 C is 12, F1 is 20, F2 is 11, H is 10. So I have substituted those values here. So whenever you are finding the decimal here, try to get a decimal after decimal 2 digits you go for. So here when I go the second digit is 0. So I actually after decimal 2 digits means you should go for 3 digits, and the third digit either it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the previous one, or you can take the number as it is. So I got 0 here. So I tried for the next one, that is 5 I have got. So 5 or more than 5 you should add 1 to it. So 7.71 I have got. So 40.471 is the for a fractional value of 80 by 17. If you add it to 44 plus 71 is the value of this mode, children. Please note it down. Now, children, the next question, 15th one. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and construct a pair of tangents to the circle from an external point which is at a distance of 8 centimeters from it. 8 centimeters from it. Suppose this is the circle of 3 centimeters, and at 8 centimeters means from the center you have to take 8 centimeters. So somewhere, suppose I have got it here, 8 centimeters, and join them. Let me consider this as point P. Now, what you should do, you have to join P and O. After joining the P and O, what you need to do is you have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. That is from, let me call this as O, center is O as center, more than half of OP as radius. You need to draw an arc on one side, as well as, without disturbing this, an arc on another side. Now, without disturbing this, P as a center, you have to construct an arc here, as well as an arc, this side. So here, this arc, this is P, children, point P. So this is a whiteboard, very slippery. I am trying my level best to do it. So here, what you need to do, this one is not joining, so I should extend it so that it will join with it. So I have got 2 points. Let me call this as X and Y, and these 2 points I should join. So when I join this, I have got a perpendicular bisector. This point is considered as M. This is O. So now what you have to do, M as a center and MO as a radius. M as a center, MO as a radius. You have to draw a circle. So the circle will be on broken line. M as a center, MO as a radius. You are drawing the circle. The circle should be like this with the broken line. It's very slippery. So in this way, we'll be getting, children. If you draw M as a center and this is M as center and MO as radius, if you draw, my figure you may not get properly because it is very slippery, but please understand how it has to be done. So when you draw these broken lines for the circle, M as center, MO as radius, here you are getting 2 points. This is point A and this is point B. These two you need to join. Join AP and BP. This is the construction for drawing the tangents. So let us write the steps. What are the steps? First one, draw a circle of radius. They have given radius, a circle of radius 3 centimeters with center O. The center of the circle is O. And the second point is draw OP is equal to how much they have given? 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. OP is equal to 8 centimeters. And third one, draw this are XY, the perpendicular bisector of OP. Perpendicular bisector of OP. Next, XY intersects OP at M. Fifth one, M as center, MO as radius. Draw a circle. And next point, the circle intersects the given circle at A and B. Next point, join AP and BP. Eighth point, AP and BP are the required tangents. These are the steps for this construction to you. What is that they have asked? They have asked you to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and from a point P, which is 8 centimeters away from the P, from the O, you need to draw a tangent, two tangents for this circle. So what you need to do? First you have to draw a circle with center O and locate a point P. By using the scale, you can locate a point P and you draw it. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. This perpendicular bisector, name it as X and Y. It intersects. This will intersect the OP line at OP at M. Then M as a center, MO as a radius. If you draw a circle, the circle will intersect the given circle at 2 points A and B. Join AP and BP. This will give you the construction of tangents from a point P, which is outside of the circle. And steps, first what I did, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters with center O. Second one, draw OP 8 centimeters. Of course, measure is given, so this should not be mentioned. OP line segment 8 centimeters and draw XY, the perpendicular bisector of OP, and XY intersects OP at M. M as center, MO as radius. Draw a circle. The circle intersects the given circle at A and B. Join AP and BP. AP and BP are the required tangents. This is the construction, children. I tried my level best, but you know, with your instruments, you will be getting perfectly. Now this is 16th problem, children. If x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, show that 2 log x plus y is equal to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So take x square plus y square is equal to 2xy. Now here we will be subtracting 2xy on both the sides. On subtracting 2xy on both the sides, x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 27xy minus 2xy. That means this becomes x minus y whole square is equal to 25xy. Now on taking log on both the sides, on taking log on both the sides, you are getting log x minus y whole square is equal to log 25xy. That means what, children? 2 log x minus y is equal to log 25 plus log x plus log y. This means 2 log x minus y is equal to log 25 can be written as 5 square plus log x plus log y. Now, this means 2 log x minus y is equal to 2 log 5, because log 5 square becomes 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So this is what they have asked to prove. So hence proved. We have proved it. This is the problem, children. A very simple problem in first chapter, that is real numbers. So x square plus y square is equal to 2xy. Show that 2 log x plus y is equal to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So the given problem is taken here on subtracting 2xy on both the sides. So x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 27xy minus 2xy. That is x minus y whole square is equal to 25xy. On taking log on both the sides, log x minus y whole square is equal to log 25xy. 2 log x minus y is equal to log 25 plus log x plus log y. We know log ab is equal to log a plus log b, that formula. So 2 log x minus y is equal to 25 can be written as 5 square plus log x plus log y. So 5 square 2 log x minus y is equal to 5 square can be written as 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So this is the way in which you can prove this problem, children. 16th one. Now the next question is, find the coordinates of a point which divides a line segment joining the points A and B into 4 equal parts. So first you draw a line segment. This is a line segment A and B. Coordinates of A is minus 2 comma 2, B is 2 comma 8. Okay. Now here this is to be divided into 4 equal parts. So this is first part, this is second part, this is third part, 4 equal parts. So 3 points divide the line into 4 equal parts. Let me call it as P, Q, R. So each one is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we need to find out coordinates of P, coordinates of Q and coordinates of R. Let us start with P. P divides AB in, see, this is 1 and this is 3. 1 is to 3 ratio. P divides AB in 1 is to 3 ratio. So P of x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. In this case, m1, therefore, m1 is 1, m2 is 3. And this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so this is equal to m1. m1 is 1 into x2. x2 is 2 plus m2. m2 is 3 into x1 minus 2 by 1 plus 3. So this is 2 minus 6 by 1 plus 3 is 4. That is how much? Minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1. So P of x is minus 1. Now go for P of y. P of y is equal to m1 y2. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So m1 is 1 into y2 8 plus m2 3 y1 is 2 by 1 plus 3. That is 8 plus 6 by 3, that is equal to not 3, sorry, 4, that is 14 by 4, that is 2 7 are 2 2 are 7 by 2. So P of y is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. This is one answer, children. P of y, P, coordinate of P we have got. Now we have to go for coordinate of Q. See children here, Q divides AB in, see Q is here, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is 2 ratio. 2 is to 2 means 1, 2 means 1 is to 1. That means Q is the midpoint of AB. If Q is the midpoint of AB, then Q of x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That is, x1 is how much? Minus 2 plus x2 is plus 2 by 2. That is 0 by 2. That is 0. Q of y is y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 is 2 plus y2 is 8 by 2. 10 by 2, that is 5. Therefore, Q of x comma y is equal to 0 comma 5. This is the second one. Next, R. So, let me draw a line so that it will be easy for you to understand. R of x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1. So first let me write, sorry, R divides in which ratio? We have to write R divides AB in, see children, this is R. So 1, 2, 3 and 1. 3 is to 1 ratio. 3 is to 1 ratio. That means what? Therefore, m1 is 3, m2 is 1. So, R of x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. That is, m1 is 3 into x2. What is x2? x2 is 2. plus m2 1 into x1 is -2 by 3 plus 1. That means how much I am getting? 6 minus 2 by 4. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. P of x is equal to 1. I have got. So the next one is, no, sorry, r of x is 1. R of y. What is r of y? R of y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is 3, y2 is 8 plus m2 is 1, y1 is 2 by 4. That is 24 plus 2 by 4. That means 26 by 4, that is 13 by 2. 13 by 2. So when it is 13 by 2, r of x comma y is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. This is one more answer. So I have no space, children. I'll write here. Here I'll do. Coordinates of P is equal to, what are the coordinates of P? I have got minus 1 comma 7 by 3. Q is equal to 0 comma 5 and R is equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. These all are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. You have to find the coordinates of the points which divide a line segment AB in 4 equal parts. So AB is the line segment, P, Q, R are the 3 points in which they divide it into equal parts, means this is one part, one part, one part, one part. So first P divides AB in 1:1:3 ratio. Say here M1 is 1, M2 is 3. So P of x is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Now m1 is 1 into x2 is 2 plus m2 is 3, x1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 3. That is 2 minus 6 by 4 minus 4 by 4 minus 1. We have got. P of y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. 1 into y2 is 8 plus 3 into 2 by 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 6 by 4, that is 14 by 4, that is 7 by 2. So P of y is 7 by 2, P of x comma y is minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Now Q. Q divides AB in 2:2 ratio. That means what? 1:1. That means what you are understanding? Q is the midpoint of AB. If Q is the midpoint of AB, the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that formula I have used here. x1 is minus 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2, 10 by 2, that is 5. So Q of xy is 0 comma 5. Then R, if you take R here, it is having 1, 2, 3:1 ratio. R divides AB in 3:1 ratio. So M1 is 3, M2 is 1. R of x is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. So in this case, m1 is 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 by 1 plus 3. 6 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. R of y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 by 4. 24 plus 2 by 4, that is 26 by 4. 13 by 7. So, sorry, 13 by 2. So, all these values I have written solution. P coordinates minus 1, comma 7 by 3. Q is 0, comma 7 by 2. Sorry. not 7 by 3, it is 7 by 2, and Q is 0 comma 5, and R is 13 by 2. These are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it out. Now 18th sum, children. A metallic vessel is in the shape of cylinder surmounted over a hemisphere. A cylinder is surmounted over a hemisphere. So this is a hemisphere. Upon it, cylinder is there. Cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. So the figure is like this. Now the radii of the cylinder and hemisphere are same. So this is R. It is same. And the height of the cylindrical part is 10 centimeters. This height is 10 centimeters. If the outer surface area of the vessel is 748, then find the radii. So surface area of the vessel. Surface area of the vessel is nothing but outer. Okay, they have given outer surface area of the vessel is nothing but CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So what is CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi R square. So in this 2 pi R is common into H plus R is the formula. Now we know that pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is considered as R only and H is 10 centimeters. Therefore, here you see, children, total surface area is 748. So 2 according to problem. According to problem, 2 pi R into H plus R is equal to 748. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into R into H is a 10 plus R is equal to 748. So R into 10 plus R is equal to 748 into 22 by 7, that is 7 by 22, and this becomes 1 by 2. So this, see, 8 plus 7, for you will be getting 7 to 15. 15 minus 4 is 11. So it can be divisible by 11. 11 twos are, 11 six are, and 11 eights are. That is 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. 17 into 7, that is 119 you are getting. So R into 10 plus R is equal to 119. That is 10R plus R square is 119. R square plus 10R minus 119 is equal to 0. So say, children, 17 7 ja 119 means 17 minus 7 is a 10. So directly we can write R square. I'll do it here, children. So R square plus 17R minus 7R minus 119 is equal to 0. R into R plus 17 minus 7 into R plus 17 is equal to 0. R minus 7 into R plus 17 is equal to 0. So if R minus 7 is equal to 0, then R is equal to 7 centimeters. If R I don't think you can see it here, children. So I'll write it here. If r plus 17 is equal to 0, then r is minus 17. We cannot take minus values. Therefore, r is equal to 7 centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. So let me explain you this once again. There is a vessel in which bottom is hemisphere. Upon it, cylinder is there. See, cylinders are mounted over a hemisphere. Upon the hemisphere, cylinder is there. And both of them are having same radius. And height of the cylindrical part is 10 centimeters. So, and what they have given, outer surface area of the vessel, they have given how much? They have given it as 748 square centimeters. So, what is outer surface area of the vessel? It is nothing but CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the hemisphere. CSA of the cylinder 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. So in this 2 pi R is common into H plus R. So here, see, R here is 22 by 7. Sorry, pi is 22 by 7. R is R, they have not given. We need to find out. H is height of the cylinder 10 centimeters. So according to the problem, 2 pi r into h plus r is 748. 2 into 22 by 7 into r into h plus h is 10 plus r is 748. That means what I have taken, I have done it here, children. R into 10 plus r is equal to 748 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 2 into 2 becomes 1 by 2. So I'm simplifying, I got 119. R into 10 plus R is 119. 10R plus R square is 119. R square plus 10R minus 119 is equal to 0. So when you have taken this as a quadratic equation, you need to split. Already 17 sevens are 119. 17 minus 7 is 10. So there is no need of searching for other numbers. So r square plus 17r plus this is a 17r plus minus 7r minus 119 is equal to 0. R into r plus 17 minus 7 into r plus 17 is 0. R minus 7 into r plus 17 is 0. So if r is equal to 7, r minus 7 is equal to 0, then r is equal to 7. If r plus 17 is equal to 0, r is minus 17. Minus values we don't take. So r is equal to 17 is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now with this I have completed 6 marks, that is total essay type, your main sheet of the paper, that is 2 marks, 4 marks and 6 marks. In the next video I will be doing the objectives.